Hello everyone, Selena Sensei here, and it's 2025, a new year. Happy New Year to everyone. It's a new year, new challenges, and new goals to achieve. So I would like to start this year with the basics, like basic kanji, basic grammar, and we're going to start with JLPT N5. JLPT N5, the next one would be JLPT N4, JLPT N3, and to JLPT 1, and that would be a big challenge. That would be a big challenge for me and for you too as well. And I know that you will be patient in learning with me. In this vlog, we're going to learn the basic Japanese kanji. That is 80 kanji characters that the elementary or grade 1 students learned first. Are you ready? So let's start. Okay, let's start right away. I have here a list of 80 basic kanji characters. It says here, Shogaku 1年生の漢字一覧80文字. Okay, so this is 80 basic kanji characters that are learned in elementary school by grade 1 students. So this is grade 1 kanji. Okay, so for every character here, we have the meaning in English and the reading. There are two types of reading the kanji, and that is the kunyomi, which is the Japanese reading, and onyomi, which is the Chinese reading. So I'm going to read the common reading for each character. Okay, so this is bun. Okay, which means sentence. Bun for bunsho. Again, it means sentence. Okay, this is 10. 10. I also included the pitch accent. So we have from up going down. 10, which means again heavens. And if you know tenki, which means weather, and that is a combination of this kanji and where is it? This one. Okay, tenki, which means weather. Okay, hayai. Hayai. The Chinese reading is so. Mizu means water, and the Chinese reading is sui for Wednesday, suiyobi. Shichi, nana. Kuchi, mouth. Chinese reading is ko. Manabu, which means to study or to learn. Gaku. Okay. Ichi. Ki. Ta. Kusa. Tadashi. Kuruma. Ko. Ki. Migi. Hon. Tsuchi. Hashi. Ikiru. Te. Hidari. Kyu. Ame. Can you follow? Na for namae, which means name. Ni. Mura. Ao. Ju. San. Yasumu. Marui or en. The common reading is en, which means money, and that is yen. Okay. Me. Hi. Nichi. Inu. Yu. Deru. Yama. Tama. O. 立つ、入る、男、石、女、子、金 for money, お金 and 金 gold and 金曜日 which means Friday. 音 sound. 力 年 the common reading is 年 okay. 竹 赤 小さい 4空下林白中線上糸月日6 8虫川森字大きい花5 100町先人耳見る貝 Okay, were you able to follow? Maybe we should repeat it again, okay? Okay, once again. Bun 10早い水7 7口学ぶ or 学1木田草正しい車こう木右、okay. 本土足生きる手左9雨な2村青10 3休む円目火犬湯出る山玉追う立つ入る男石女子金音力年年竹赤小さい4空下林白中線上糸月日6 8虫川森字大きい花5 100町先人耳見る貝 Okay, were you able to get it? I hope you're going to remember this. Okay, next time I'll do flashcards. So guys, we're done with 80 basic kanji characters and I hope that you're going to remember them and remember the meaning of each character as written in the paper that we did a while ago, and we're going to remember those kanji or do memorization through flashcards. okay, for you to quickly remember the 80 kanji characters. So it's really the basics that will lead us to knowing and remembering the JLPT N5 kanji. Grade 1 kanji is actually the JLPT N5 kanji, only that there are additional kanji to 80 characters. So it's I think it's 100 over kanji characters for JLPT N5. So now you remember the 80 kanji characters. That's the basic. Okay, see me again and thank you for watching. Bye.